Hey guys, and welcome. Creating a custom prompt for Copilot AI can significantly enhance its usefulness, tailoring it to your specific needs and making it more efficient. Here's a straightforward guide to help you create custom prompts. So, first of all, understand your objective. Before creating a prompt, identify what you want Copilot AI to do. Examples include generating specific code snippets, writing documentation, debugging code, suggesting improvement or alternatives. You can do that, right? So next, write clear and specific prompts. So I'm gonna go ahead to the general chat and I'm gonna write something like example for that, right? I'm gonna type generate, right? Generate a Python function to calculate the factorial of a number. Let's say, for example, I'm gonna add this code, for example, right? Or this number, or this math equation, right? Make sure that you provide context, of course, generating a Python function to calculate the factorial of a number, and you're gonna write the code and everything, and set constraints, specify requirements or limits if you want to remove something, and if you want to add something of a value, you can ask Copilot AI to do so. And then hit send right here or enter at the bottom, right? And test your prompts. As you can see right here, unfortunately, I cannot access the Copilot free version because I expired it. And after you test your prompt, try your prompt in a supported environment, okay? And refine it if the output isn't as expected, right? If you hit send and the results weren't as you expect or didn't meet your need, then you need to refine it and retype it again so Copilot understands what do you want or what do you expect exactly. All right, and save your chat, all right, by hitting send and starting a conversation with Copilot AI. You're going to be able to save it automatically. You can click the three lines at the top right, and you're going to see right here the chat history. You can always save your chat from there, right? You can always access it from there, all right? So you can go back to it later, okay? And with practice, you can craft prompts that unlock Copilot AI's full potential, making it powerful ally in your development workflow. So, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.